We will discuss about angle between two curves. Okay. X-axis, origin, y-axis, draw a curve C1, and this is the curve C2. These two curves are intersecting at a point P. Draw a tangent to the curve C1. So this is PT1. Draw a tangent to the second curve C2. So this is PT2. The first tangent PT1 makes an angle psi1 with x-axis in the positive direction. That is anticlockwise. Second tangent PT2 makes an angle psi2 with x-axis in the positive direction. So this angle should be 180 minus psi2. We know that in a triangle, sum of three angles should be 180 degrees. So this angle is psi2 minus psi1. If two curves intersecting at a point P, then the angle between the tangent to the curve is equal to angle between the two curves. Let psi is equal to psi2 minus psi1. Tan psi is equal to tan psi2 minus psi1. We know that in trigonometric formula, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So tan of psi2 minus psi1 is equal to tan psi2 minus tan psi1 divided by 1 plus tan psi2 into tan psi1. Tan psi2 is equal to m2, that is slope of a tangent to the curve C2, and tan psi1 is m1, this is slope of a tangent to the curve C1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Tan psi is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Here we have taken psi1 is an acute angle and psi2 is an obtuse angle. If psi2 is acute angle, if psi2 is an acute angle and psi1 is an obtuse angle, then this angle is, then psi is equal to psi1 minus psi2. So tan psi is equal to tan psi1 minus psi2. So using the same trigonometry formula, tan psi1 minus tan psi2 divided by 1 plus tan psi1 into tan psi2. So this is m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So tan psi is equal to m1 minus m2. Combining both the cases, tan psi is equal to absolute value of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Now we will discuss the two cases. Case 1. If m1 is equal to m2, then the numerator is 0. So tan psi is equal to 0. So psi is equal to tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So these two curves are just touches. Case 2. If the multiplication of the slopes m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, then the denominator, that is 1 plus minus 1, is equal to 0. So tan psi is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 0. So the number by 0 will get infinite. So psi is equal to tan inverse of infinity. Tan inverse of infinity, pi by 2. So if the multiplication of the two slopes is equal to minus 1, then the two curves intersect at right angle. So okay, now we will discuss some problems. The problem is, find the angle between the two curves. Y is equal to, find the angle between the two curves. Y is equal to x square and y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. X-axis, origin, y-axis. Y is equal to x square is standard parabola, open, upward. We know 4 types of standard parabola. This is y is equal to x square, open, upward. And x is equal to, y square is equal to 4x, that is open, rightward. Y square is equal to minus 4a, open, leftward. And x square is equal to minus 4ay, open, downward. This is the type of x square is equal to 4ay, and the vertex is 0, 0. And the second curve, y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. This is also in the type of x square is equal to 4ay. Here the vertex is 2, 0. This is 1, this is 2. So this is the curve, y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Let the intersecting point be P. Now draw a tangent to the curve y is equal to x square. This is the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square, and this is the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Now we have to find this angle. First, we have to find the intersecting point P. For that, we need to solve these two equations. Comparing these two equations, we have x square is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So x square is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Cancel this x square and x square. So minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Take out this minus 4. So minus 4 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is not equal to 0. So this x minus 1 should be 0. Which implies x is equal to 1. And subtract this x plus